Have you ever noticed how a small detail can make a big difference in storytelling? Um, uh, Before diving into the latest episode of Dexter Original Sin, a friendly reminder to subscribe to the channel and hit that like button would be appreciated. In the much anticipated premiere of Dexter Original Sin, fans were eager to see how the beloved character would be reintroduced. Uh, However, one glaring omission stood out: Dexter Morgan's iconic box of donuts. This seemingly minor detail was a significant part of his character in the original series, and its absence felt like a missed opportunity. The new series, crafted by Clyde Phillips, takes us back to 1991, exploring Dexter's early days at Miami Metro PD as he navigates his dark urges under the guidance of his adoptive father. Harry viewers were left wondering why he didn't bring along his signature treat on his first day. It was a curious choice, especially since he was trying to make a good impression. Michael C. Hall reprises his role as Dexter, not just in front of the camera, but also as the voice guiding us through his thoughts. The show hints at familiar elements from Dexter's past, but the absence of the donuts left fans scratching their heads. After all, who could forget the way those donuts became a staple of his interactions at the precinct? Um, um, Interestingly, there was a subtle nod to this donut legacy when Camilla Fig, the record supervisor, greeted Harry with a donut on her coffee mug. This small detail suggests that the show might still explore the significance of donuts in Dexter's life, perhaps revealing their origins in future episodes. And as the series unfolds, there's hope that it will delve deeper into why Dexter developed this quirky habit. Um, Fans are eager to learn if there's a backstory that explains his fondness for donuts, um, adding another layer to his complex character. And let's be honest, if Dexter had brought donuts to the precinct, it might have made for a sweeter introduction. After all, who wouldn't want to bond over a box of pastries while discussing dark urges? With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time,